Universidad Panamericana. Math class. Ellipse. Teacher Lozano Vierya Juan Manuel.
The ellipse is a set of points on the Cartesian plane which have the same distance to two fixed points, which call it focus, focus 1 and focus. Let me show you that. Somebody have a list for this example. Thank you very much. You have this list. If we take the distance here, the distance always is the same. Please, anybody can help me? Please help me. Put your finger here in the first focus with the legs in there. No, only the finger. Okay. We need another people to help me. Please, another student. Mesa, you can help me. Just put your finger here in another focus. Only. Okay. If we will see, we have the list. The list can grow. It's always the same distance. We put here and move the collection or set of points. We have the same distance. The distance between focus and this point, between this focus and this point, is always the same. The curve which result of this is that. Thank you. So you can see. This curve we call ellipse. It's similar to a circle. What is the difference between ellipse and circle?
It's not completely circumference.
It's not a circle because this is more short in this part, okay? It's more like
The Earth.
oval, like this. Okay? The ellipse has, as the other conics, like parabola, like circle, some elements very importantly. The first element is the center. The center is the midpoint between focus. Is here, center. Okay? If we have the straight line with the center and the focus, we will go the focal axis. The focal axis is the straight line with the two focus and the center. Okay? We have another point very important. This point is vertex. Vertex. We call the vertex 2, and here we got another vertex here. Vertex 2. Vertex 1, vertex 2. Okay? We have another axis. This is the axis, perpendicular axis to the focal axis. We call the transversal axis. Okay? The transversal axis gives me another 2 points very important. Transversal vertex. This is the transversal vertex 2 and transversal vertex 1. Okay? Now, we go with some distance, very important here in this construction. 1. The distance between center and vertex we will call A. The distance between center and transversal vertex we will call B. The distance between center and focus we will call C. Okay? This is different than this. You see, it's a point. It's the center, the construction. DC is near, is the distance between center and focus. Okay? Distance, distance, distance. Point, point, point. Okay? Well, now, we will try to find the right coordinates for this construction and this kind of ellipse. If the vertex, or in this case, the center, is in H, key, the center of the construction, the center of the ellipse was in H, key. What is the coordinate, the right coordinate for focus? Somebody can tell me?
H plus C.
H plus C.
K.
K. Why?
Because C is the distance between the center and the focus.
Yes. The distance between center and focus is C. Then the movement is only over x-axis. Okay? Then the distance between center and focus must be here h plus c. The second coordinate is for y is the same. Okay? Give me now the coordinate of the vertex. Okay. Everybody? Anybody?
H,
Similar.
yes, H plus
H
A,
plus
A,
A. Here.
comma K.
Okay. This is the coordinate for this focus 2, and this is the coordinate for this vertex 2. The coordinate for focus 1 is H means C, K. Vertex 2 is H minus A, K. Everybody, we are agreeing or not? Okay? Very well. The coordinates for the transversal vertex must be what?
H, comma K
H,
plus B,
K plus
B.
P. Why? Because P is the distance between center and the transversal vertex. But now, it's not over the x-axis. Now, is the transversal vertex is over the y-axis. Okay? This is the relation. coordinate for the first transversal vertex is h k minus b. This is the coordinate for this transversal vertex, and this is the coordinate for this transversal vertex. Okay? Okay, now, other elements very important here. The minor axis is the distance between transversal vertex. We must be b plus b. 2 times b. The major axis is the distance between vertex 1 and vertex 2. Is a plus a.
Times A.
2 times a. Okay? There is also a latus rectum in this construction. The latus rectus is very similar to the parabola. It's this line, which is orthogonal to axis or focal axis, and the distance of the latus rectum is 2 times b squared. Okay? Other element important is the eccentricity. The eccentricity is C. Okay. Now we must find the equation for this construction with center in H. Okay? Well, the equation, canonic equation, is this. X minus a squared. A squared plus y minus chi squared b squared equal to. This is the canonic equation. Okay. If we want the general equation, only need to do the math, and we have the general equation for ellipse. Okay? Questions? Nobody, anybody have a question? No? It's clear to hear?
Yes.
Okay. Uno. Now, one example. The center